picture na picture.
Katatapos lang namin breakfast sa Jollibee. Saan, Leia? Staycation na mga bata. Let's go! Ay, ayun na pala.
Nagulong pateya.
On the way to the hotel.
Meron ka doon ng dishwashing.
Ay,
Oh.
sarap ka.
Hello.
Sa baba, te. Dito, oh. Ay, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Chanel Paris Hotel in Taguig. Si Bri, tulog pa. Ay, hindi pala. Gising na. Ito yung room namin, guys. Maliit lang siya. Ito yung yung katulong namin. So, nandito kami right now for our test assessment. Nag-stay kami dito for 2 days. Training will start now. See you later. Balitaan naman kayo, guys. Bye! Done dinner! Ano dito?
Huwag ko nang i-stop.
Hoy! Bakit nag-i-stop? Huwag ka muna.
Huwag nang i-stop shit eh.
Hoy! Oh my gosh! Ala. Oh my God.
Eh, sabi ko sa inyo,
Guys, nasusunod ko kami, guys. Uy!
Sinong creepy, te?
Bakit ganyan yung sound?
Te, ayoko na. Bababa na ba?
Alert!
Charger yun! Ah, charger pala yun.
Time check.
It's already?
Ano na oras? Kasi, oh. Ano mo?
Ano yung buklatin yung te? May aswang
Yung put mo! 1:59 a.m.
Te, may nahulog kanina, promise. Ay,
Just finished our
kakakusan na nandito
practice for our test tomorrow.
Ay,
And then we ate lunch earlier.
doon.
Ha?
Ano mo? Huwag kayo kanina. Putang ina mo talaga, te.
Let's end the night. Tatakutan pa kayo, ha? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Challenge tayo alas 10.
Good morning. Today is the day that we're going to perform our test assessment and food and beverage services. So, wish me luck. Hey guys, we just finished the movie and today it's November 15. So I didn't get to update you because we were running late earlier. So now we watch the what's the title again? The meet and greet. That was really really nice. I liked it. Made me cry. So yeah, we're at the Mega Mall right now and then we're waiting for my cousin and my Kalia. So we're going to spend time together with them. So yeah, my sister's there. So, my fit for today. I'm back again, and we bought brownies while we were waiting. So, si Mami nasa loob ng ibang cinema. Dami niya kasi nakikita.
Ano? Ganda-ganda yun. Ha? Ganda-ganda. Rice lang na. Ano wala akong kinagin?
Oop! Dapat ching-ching!
Bakit ka namimili?
I want kaya.
Ay, wag Talia, hindi naman ako kunin si Talia.
I want the kaya.
Ay,
Kainin mo.
wala, dun tayo sa ano, national sana.
Pagpajak siya oh. Sobrang kulit.
Today is December 24 and we're here at... Ay, 24. December 4.
December 24. Parang Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve na.
Nakakita ka lang kasi ng ano. So, kita mo na sa
We're
Santa
here
Cruz
right now
Republic.
at Magic Cafe. Sa baba lang to ng condo namin, guys.
Pakalo pa sa OKC ng parang mga
Hindi lang. I'm with my mom and my sister.
Kanina pa na ano, hindi mo ba nakita?
Ako, ayoko dyan sa Max.
Gusto ko sa sandali na undrafted nila.
Welcome to my vlog. Today is December 6 and we're here right now sa Alabang Temple. Open house today, guys. Ay, hindi. Kailan
open
yung...
house.
Hindi, kailan tayo nag-start nun?
Hindi ko alam. Basta hanggang
Basta hanggang December 13, open house. So, dito kami ngayon, guys. Kasama namin yung tita namin and then tito. Whoa. Diba? Saan? Oo.
Ayusin mo yan.
56. Galing ka ng 500 na cake na mas malaki.
Yung malapit lang kasi. Wag yan, wag yan. Ito dapat.
Hindi ka matuwa kasi thank you for playing nakalagay. Ito pa?
Baka mamaya na lang pala yun, no? Kahit ano dyan.
Ayan, yan, yan.
Meron? Meron!
USB cable. Hi! Galing. Sana meron pa. Pamas ko na lang sana sa akin.
Para saan kaya yan? Hindi ko din alam kung saan. Ay, meron din. Dalawa.
Port. White yung isa, black yung isa.
Ayan. Ganyan, o ngayon.
Guys, nanalo ako guys. sabi ko malas ako, pero sinwerte ako ngayon. Hey guys, we're here right now in Mega Mall and nasa Mega Mall kami guys and bumili kami ng AirPods, ano yan? AirPods Pro ni ate. Gift daw sa kanya yan ng parents ni Jacob. And then, syempre, nanalo din ako. Nawala naman akong binili. Nanalo ako guys sa claw machine game. Sabi ko kanina, ay malas ako dyan eh. Tapos nanalo ako dalawa. Hi! Merry Christmas! Ayan. And then, from Power Mac pa yun guys. Sino ba naman ako? Silverde pa ako. Ay! Ayan guys. Pizza. Waiting na lang kami guys sa isang pizza. Hey vlog, I'm back. After 3 months. 3 months yata last ko upload 3 months ago. So yeah, I'm back. And I'm sorry guys, I was really busy and I'm currently editing this vlog. And na-notice ko lang na hindi pala ako masyado nagsalita masyado here sa vlog, like more on like ano lang. Ang daming like, more on what do you call this? Montage like that. And then more on clips lang kasi super busy talaga ako guys. And yeah, until now, but I'm still trying to juggle all things. And just a quick update na about with regards to my school, everything is so messy. Like, sobrang daming binigay na schoolworks namin. I don't know guys. Siguro ganun talaga pag first year and then like December, sobrang dami talaga nilang magbigay ng schoolworks. And yan, sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam, I'm studying in Polytechnic University of the Philippines, PUP, in dyan sa Santa Mesa. But yung building ko is sa may Hasmin building since CTHDM ako, tourism yung course ko. So, dun yung building namin sa may malapit sa East. So, yeah, I'm still trying to figure everything out. And so far naman, na-accomplish ko naman lahat ng schoolworks and everything. But you always have that feeling na parang tinatamad ka na, like, ang nasa mindset ko na lang right now is basta makapasa ako guys. Like, it doesn't really matter to me anymore if like graduate ako with honors. Kasi before talaga with honors talaga ako lagi guys. But right now, I don't know. So, we'll see. Bonus na lang kung magkaroon pa talaga ako ng honors. Like, for this year. And I'm currently in my 3rd year college. So, yeah. Sobrang grabe yung workloads na nabibigay sa amin. Like right now, katatapos ko lang din ng research presentation ko. So, I think it went well naman. Sana lang talaga hindi mahula ng grades yung mga prof namin, guys. Kasi, I mean, yun kasi mga dati na namin silang prof. So, alam na namin kung ano yung, nila. Alam na namin yung mga actions nila with regards to the grading system. So yeah, swertihan na lang din talaga. Sana hindi sila manghula kasi, nakakapagod guys. And sana maging worth it lahat ng pagod in the end. And with my life, it's going well naman. I'm happy with my life. But yeah, hindi mo rin talaga maiiwasan na ma-stress ka and then ma-burnt out ka talaga. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And with my work and then business, yeah, we have business guys. It's at our alley clothing shop. So if you guys wanna check it out, you can visit it on our TikTok and Facebook at our alley. The brown one logo. Super affordable lang ng mga binibenta namin. Like, it's pre-love, guys. And then, with work, I've been working with brands. Right now, I don't know, I don't remember if na-update ko na kayo na I entered my content creator era. So yeah, I've been receiving a lot of works from the brands and then and so far I'm enjoying it, but nakakapagod talaga. Hindi na It's normal guys, it's normal na mapagod, but just never give up on it. Journey ko right now sa content creation, I've been loving it kasi yun talaga yung passion ko guys. Mahirap kasi gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman passion kasi syempre hindi ka magiging genuine sa ginagawa mo. So yeah, I really like it. And yeah, my niche is beauty, makeup, and then skincare, and sometimes it's lifestyle. I'm still exploring it, and then I started July 2025. So yeah, yun lang, nag-update lang ako guys para naman may alam kayo sa life ko. And then this will probably my last vlog for this year, and then maybe I'll see you guys next year. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. So yeah, bye bye.